Oh, hey, baby. Oh, yeah, no, I'm good. Oh, those tissues are gross. No, I'm not sick because your blood pressure. The fact that I am bundled up in fucking blankets. Okay, you have a point. I get it. What? Got me medicine. No, babe, medicine's gross. No, get that shit away from me. No, stop. What happens if I don't take it, huh? You're gonna take my mouse away. But, I need that to play games tonight with the girls. What? I can't do that. Fine, I'll take one capful of that disgusting shit. That's gross. No, I already put in nasal spray, remember? I put it in before you left. Oh, my eyes are halfway closed because I'm tired. Yeah, totally not because they hurt when I try to open them all the way or close them all the way. Oh, yeah, for sure. No, I don't like higher, babe. You're better. What are you doing? Don't get. You're gonna get sick if you lay in bed with me. No, get away from me. Get away. You're gonna be such a crybaby if you got me ice cream, so. I told you I wanted ice cream before you left to the store. I didn't even know you were going to the store. You just said that you were going out, and I said if you go to the store, can you get me some ice cream? No, don't pull my head out of your chest. I can't breathe out of my nose. No, you're being ridiculous. I'm fine. I don't need to go to the doctor. I went the other day, remember? It's just a fever. I'll get over it. The fact that I was taking my corpse aspirin yesterday doesn't... We're not going to talk about that, okay? No, I'm not. No. Shut up, no. I'm just... if you're gonna cuddle me, can you hold me tighter, please? Oh, good. Why would it be so whitey like that? Your milkshake. Yes, I keep talking about sweets, especially if they're cold. I'm hot. Shut up. I'm tired of you, bro. You can't make me laugh. No, it's not a bad cough. It's just off and on. Yeah, I mean, it's whatever, but, you know. No. There's no need to call the doctor. I'm fine. It's just a fever. I know that. Because I'm an expert in these kinds of things. Remember when you got chicken pox? And I had to take care of you for like a month? Well, yes, I know the symptoms went away in like a short amount of time, but I wanted to be sure that you were okay. I see where you're okay. Yep. Well, you can't hold me hostage all morning. I have to go to work. Yes, I have to go to work. I didn't go in yesterday because I overslept. No, I didn't oversleep because I was sick. I overslept because I was up too late with the girls playing games. So, yeah, it's not because I'm sick. I'm not saying that I am sick, but, you know. You know what? You're running your fingers through my hair does to me. Stop. I can't go to sleep. I have to get ready for work. Yes, I'm losing my voice. Well, probably because blah blah blah, you know. And I was kind of standoffish last night, but that was only because I didn't want you to come near me because I was mad at you. Yeah, for sure. I was mad because you didn't bring me my tacos. I told you when you got off of work, bring me tacos, but you didn't listen, did you? You just came home and you got me a burrito. I wanted to take the tacos apart and like scoop it up with their own tortilla, and it would be the most amazing thing ever. Especially if it has more chocolate with that shit. Chef's kiss. What do you do? Don't kiss my forehead. No. I didn't say stop. Fine. But if you're taking care of me, then you have to get me a milkshake and some McDonald's fries. Because it's what I want, and you give me what I want, so... What? Am I being bratty? I'm being... You know what? Hush. I don't want to hear from you. Nope. Don't try to... You're gonna get sick. Don't kiss me. Okay, here are the boundaries, okay? If you're gonna take care of me, I require head scratches and back rubs because my body hurts, and you're the only one that can take care of that, so... I'm burying my face in your chest because it's warm and I'm cold. I know I said it was hot, but that was like 5 minutes ago. Toulouse came into the window last night, didn't he? Because the blinds are all fucked up. And the window's open, so I can only guess. Okay, well... Okay. I'll let you take care of me. It's only fair if you're gonna get me ice cream and a milkshake. And french fries and chicken nuggets. Can you tell me a story? I'm having a hard time. Mm-hmm.